I'll show you how you can one name on Facebook. Now from Facebook, you want to go to the upper right desktop section here, and you want to go to settings and privacy. Now on settings and privacy, you want to go to settings. Now on settings, wait for it to load, and then go to account centers here. After that, go to the account you want to change to the one name into. So for my case, I'll be this one. And then on here, give it your name here. And then on your name, just delete your old one and then just give it a bunch of spaces, right? So just a bunch of spaces like this. Click on review change. And then that's it. You can see preview your new name, just how your name will appear on your profile. So it'll be just this. Now, once you're ready, just click on done like this. Now again, wait for it to load, and that's it. You can see my name has now changed into one name just like that. To note that after changing your name, you can't change your name again after a couple of bits. You can see you can't change your name right now because you've changed it in the last 60 days. So you will have to wait on, 60 days, so around 2 months. So after you change your name, you'll have to wait for another 2 months before you can change your name again.